Here's something different.
What?
We've got a whole heap of ships back in stock. This is a Fujimi 1:700 scale Akagi Japanese aircraft carrier.
Does it come with planes? Some of them
It does come with planes. It comes with some. If you want to fully load it up, you can buy extra planes. But this is a bit different.
What scale planes do you buy?
1:700 scale.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so little.
Can you buy
Yeah,
them?
have a look at them. Yeah, you can. So I
didn't know that
sealed.
I didn't know that 1:700 was even a scale.
Yeah, so 1:700 scale is.
There's a very good
really
chance
popular.
I will cut myself now because somebody's going to change the blade.
Who was that? Sorry, I'll just stand over here.
You don't want to be anywhere near it. Oh, crap.
At least the cut will be clean. You won't feel it bleeding, until the pools develops on the ground.
That is so sharp.
All right, let's have a look-see.
That is going to draw blood before the end of the show.
This is a bit different because 700 scale is actually quite a popular scale for wargaming. Yeah, the Japanese love 1:700 scale, and also it's compact enough to collect quite a lot of them. Even 1:700 scale is still a big aircraft carrier. Look at it. A difference with these, so you see here where it's cut along here. The 700 scale is normally called waterline because after you build them, you sit them on a base to do wargaming and it looks like they're floating. But they don't look that great if you're just displaying it. So this is actually full hull.
Full hull?
Yeah, so there's the base of the hull there.
Would it be flat on the bottom?
Yeah, they're flat.
Ooh.
And so this comes with a base as well for display. And it's got pre-colored bits.
Pre-colored.
What was it? It had all the decking and stuff here.
I can hear the roulettes.
Oh, the roulettes that come by?
That'll be part of the F1 celebrations.
These little props. There you go. There's all the rising suns for the planes.
The what?
The insignia for the planes.
Oh.
You're asking about planes. There's planes here.
The plane, show me the plane.
There you go. There's a 700 scale plane.
Oh, it's tiny.
Yeah. There you go.
Look, if the roulettes can fly in the middle of the city, I think I should be able to fly a little Spitfire or something.
So here's my finger in comparison.
Finger scale.
Finger scale. That's right.
One to one finger.
That's right.
Well, it depends how
So
big
it's
the
very
hole
cool,
is.
yeah? How big is the one?
Finger it. Not sure.
I don't know where to go from there.
I
So we'll just
lost control for a moment.
And we'll stick the cover on. So Fujimi, we've got quite a few of these. We've got battleships as well. We've got the Yamato and the Musashi. And then the Japanese aircraft carriers.
Good protein powder.